What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. I'm Amber, and this is my first day filming since I got super sick. Guys, I was away for a while because my son brought home the dreaded you guys know what. He went to school for 2 days and managed to bring that home to all of us. All of us were really sick. My son was the worst of the three of us, but we all pulled through. None of us needed to go to the emergency room or any of that kind of stuff. We were just super, super sick, and I was not able to do anything but take care of myself and my son. That's pretty much all I did during that time, and I have this lingering congestion. It just won't go away. I was trying to wait to film until, after that went away, but I feel like it's going to be with me for a while. So I thought, Amber, suck it up, get it done. Let's do today's video. And in this video, we are going to be doing the August mini mystery bag of awesome. So here's my bag, guys. It's right here. They have their logo on the front there. I guess I could turn it away so that you guys can actually see it. So I did mention in another video like a while ago, I was going to go ahead and get the upgraded version of this. I haven't done that yet. Like, everything just was crazy. I'm not going to get into that in this video, but at any rate, I haven't been able to go on and do that yet. I will do it eventually because I really do love this bag. So the first thing in the bag that I always like to show you guys is this activity sheet that they include in every bag. This is really super fun for me and my son to do together, but honestly, I do them by myself. I did them by myself before my son was able to understand what that kind of stuff was. So I think they're really fun. All right, first thing in here. Guys, they are pushing the spa subscriptions, okay? Like, I swear this company is really pushing hard through this company to try to get their name out there. I have tried several of their products and I very much like them. This one is the Spa Subscriptions Multivitamin Spa Treatment Mask. Okay. It has vitamins A, B, C, D, and E. All right, guys, look at that. So I'm definitely happy to have this. Super pumped to give it a try. Like I said, everything that I've tried from this company so far has been really good. And you get 5 masks in this little thing. So that's a good value right there. This bag is $9.99 a month for those of you who don't know. I don't know if I mentioned that. Okay, what do we got going on here? Steak button thermometers. Set of 4 reusable stainless steel. Okay, so there's no more guesswork. You cook your steak exactly how you like them. Oh, it has rare, medium, and well. Well, look at that, you guys. Actually, that's not bad. I mean, we cook steaks all the time. I never check the temperature. I just cut it open to see if it's all brown inside, and then I just eat it. I don't know. This will be kind of nice to know maybe ahead of time so it doesn't get too dry. Sometimes I overcook them because I want to make sure it's completely cooked. I don't want to see any red, pink, any of that at all in my steak. So maybe that will help me. I'm not mad at that. Okay. And then we have some West Virginia cards. Like, really? A deck of West Virginia cards. Okay. I mean, I'm in Ohio, so they know that I'm in Ohio. They could have sent me an Ohio deck. I'm just saying. But nonetheless, guys, I really do love this bag. It is super fun. You get random stuff, and that's what makes it super exciting and super fun each time. So if anyone is interested in getting this bag, I will have a link in my description box, and you can jump over to their website and check it out. And like I said, they do have an upgraded version of this. I think they have one that's just like a regular version, and then they have like the I don't know. I don't want to say supersized, but like the next version of it. I want to get that biggest version because this box has been really fun. And I've gotten some of their mystery boxes for $5. And I got to say, I was super happy with all of them. I thought it was really good. So yeah, at any rate, I think I've rambled on long enough. You can tell I haven't filmed in a while because I'm just All right, guys, that's all I got for you this time. And I'll catch you in my next video. Bye. My name is Amber Meeks, and I haven't filmed in a while, so I really don't know what's going to happen today. I'm still a little congested. How do I say this? At any rate, in today's video, I am going to go over the mystery bag of awesome. So I don't remember which one this is. I will check that as soon as okay, that's a mess. So I thought, Amber, suck it up, get it done. All right, guys, in this video, we are going to... I was good until then. Like, this is what I'm saying. I haven't filmed in a while. I don't even know what the hell I'm saying. All right, try it again. What's up, gorgeous people? This is Amazon's DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. No, I don't want to do that anymore. I'm changing up.